agents are evolving, but what if I told you there's a new agent that doesn't just write code, but tests, fixes, and even builds other agents? Meet Replit, Agent 3, a game changer in autonomous AI. What is Replit Agent 3? Replit Agent 3 is designed with one goal in mind: autonomy for all. It's 10 times more autonomous, 3 times faster, and 10 times more cost-effective than traditional computer use models. With Agent 3, you don't just give commands, you give it a vision and it brings it to life, self-testing and continuous improvement. It tests its code, finds problems, fixes them, and then retests again and again, so your application doesn't just get built, it gets better with every run. Replit Agent 3 has longer runtime. Unlike most AI agents that stop after a short while, Agent 3 keeps going for up to 200 minutes completely on its own. Imagine giving it a task in simple natural language and it works autonomously for hours while you focus on other things. And the best part? You can track progress in real time, even from your phone with live monitoring agent generation. This is next level. Agent 3 can actually create other agents and automations. That means you can automate repetitive workflows, build Slack or Telegram bots, or even set up a system that emails you daily stock updates. All of this built just by entering a natural language prompt. Simple, powerful, autonomous. Let's see a demo. I just log in Replit and click on Agents and Automations and just select a trigger event for your agent. You can see Slack message, Telegram message, and time-based. I selected time-based. Here's a real automation prompt I gave to Agent 3. Create an automation that sends me a daily email at 9 a.m. with a summary of the top 5 trending AI news articles, including short descriptions and source links. Deliver the email to junaida.rahat@gmail.com. First, it creates a time-based automation that sends out daily AI news summaries straight to your email. It quickly generates the automation plan, then asks, do you want to build the full app or just start with a design? Of course, I select build the entire app, and instantly it gets to work. Within minutes, the automation is ready. I even add extra features like a PostgreSQL database and Replit mail integration. It then asks for my OpenAI API key, sets up the tools, and even auto-fixes workflow errors along the way. In less than 10 minutes, Replit AI Agent has built a fully working daily AI news email automation. Now, I hit Test Automation, and boom, you can see that. I've got an email in my inbox. Inside is a daily AI news summary with the top 5 trending AI articles of the day. That's how easy it is. Just one prompt, and Agent 3 builds the entire automation for you. Agent 3 isn't just an upgrade, it's the future of AI autonomy. Automate, Delegate, Accelerate. If you want to try it out, head over and explore Agent 3 today and experience autonomy like never before. Don't forget to like, share this with your tech friends, and subscribe for more AI breakthroughs.